All right, here we go. A little 6-box break with 4 Topps Chrome and 2 Optic. It was supposed to be 3 and 3, but I blew it. I think everyone said they were cool with it, so we're doing it. Well, one person wasn't. A couple people weren't cool with it, but we refunded them. It's all good now. Bombs has the Cardinals. Tiny Iota, Yankees, Padres, Rangers. Zemp has the Orioles. Christian Brewers, 10-cent Red Sox, Marlins, Rockies. Corey has the Angels. Hitless Champ, Cubs, Tigers, Twins, Mariners, Nationals. E-Beast, Blue Jays. Mean Green, Royals. JD has Pirates, Coward, Reds. Joe Boo's Mojo, A's, Astros, and Giants. J-Wall, Dodgers. Peter has the Indians. Rally Squirrel, Braves, Mets, Rays. Omnivore, White Sox. Bryce, Brent's Phillies. And Will has the Diamondbacks. Gonna be like 15 superfractors in this break after all the trouble I caused with it. Russell Martin refractor. Matt's Future Stars. Mondesi Youth Impact. Mark Teixeira. Andrew Heaney refractor. Oh, it's 100% my fault. Sean Doolittle Prism. Zach Lee rookie autograph for the Dodgers. Oh, that zoom's not right. J-Wall on the board. Adrian Gonzalez. Yeah, you know, I thought about buying one of those Chrome sets to do for breaks, but the price is kind of ridiculous. Oh, we have a redemption. Rookie autograph refractor. Henry Owens, 10-cent. A little crazy face auto. A little bit of a crazy face. Miggy. Trevor Story. We have a purple Adam Wainwright. Well, it's Chrome Series 1 and Series 2, so this is only Series, you know. How many rookies does the full series, or how many cards does the full series have compared to just this set? That's probably what it is. All the supers for this stuff are in here, and all the supers for the remaining players are in that, I guess. I don't know. I didn't really think about it that much. Three autographs. Socrates Burrito. Will. 3 autographs. How about that? We got a blue Chris Bryant Future Stars. Man, my zoom is still off. Jeez. Josh Reddick. What a turd. Good thing we picked up Josh Reddick. Rich Hill better deliver tonight. That trade's going to be a waste of time for everybody. Kinsler Prism. I wonder how much they charge to ship you that set. It's not free shipping, is it? Or is it? Buxton. $20 to ship. Yeah. What other place is there where you could spend $1,500 on something and they would charge you for shipping? I can't even imagine. Isn't every place on Earth, if you spend $1,500, they would just give you free shipping? Oh, Carlos Correa refractor auto. That was sneaky. Jobu's Mojo. Correa 15 rookie auto. 402 of 499. Oh, Jobu. I'm just going to look at it now for grading purposes. I would grade the crap out of this. I'd grade it twice. Jobu. Nice hit. Grading, oh, I forgot to mention, grading is going out next week already, the next one. So if you have anything you want to submit. I checked cards for people this week and I couldn't even find one that was good to go of everything everyone asked about. I don't know how big our submission is this time. I don't think it's very big though. You seem to know where one of those are at. Oops. Yeah, some people have been sending in stuff though, so I mean I have enough to do a submission, I'm just saying. If you want to add some to it, it's going out next week. Trey Turner, rookie auto. Hitless champ. We have a blue Kettle Marte. Rosenthal. Adam Jones. All right, let's switch it up and do some Optic now. Come on, what box? Young Ho Park. No white box. Well, it could be a 5 auto hot box, I guess. Andrelton Simmons, black, parallel to 25. The Angels. Mazzara, hollow. Lucroy. Champ, you don't know how to submit a card for grading? Nomar Mazzara rated rookie to 199. Kemp hollow. Rizzo, Back to the Future. Peraza. Giolito. How long have you been on the site, champ? That's impossible. You've never submitted a card for grading? It's the craziest thing I ever heard. Tyler Naquin, rated rookie. 60 of 99. I can't believe that. Kettle Marte, rookie autograph, Optic autographs for Seattle. Hitless champ. Peter O'Brien. Wow, that's crazy. You're missing out on all the fun, champ. It's the best thing ever doing grading. I love it. I have an impossible time not sending in cards every time we do a submission. I just look for anything to send in because it's so fun. Everybody has. Ooh, Kyle Schwarber. Hitless champ. Another one you should grade. 72 of 99. I would grade that one. I would grade that one for sure. I don't know if I would grade the Trey Turner, but although he's probably better than Schwarber at this point. Corey Seager, the rookies. Kershaw. All right, not a hot box. We should, man, I'm gonna post a Chrome Optic, an actual Chrome Optic half case or more. This is perfect. It's fun. Good gradable stuff. I don't know how you guys all don't just grade stuff constantly. It's so fun. Yadier Molina. It's not even that expensive. I mean, it's not worth it on every card, of course, but if you get something even halfway decent that's gradable, it is hard to resist. Encarnacion. It's so weird that Chrome and Optic have the opposite pack setup. Like Chrome, you got the front of the pack like this. If you turn it to the side, it's that way. So I have to turn it that way to open it, the way I open it. And Optic is the other way. There needs to be unified packing rules. Piscotti. Miguel Sano. Pollock. Trace Thompson. Thumb Meat. Mariano, Japan Future Stars. I haven't had an auto in this box yet. El Monte Refractor. Henry Owens Prism. Tulowitzki. Big Poppy. Frankie Montas. A lot of Dodgers. J-Wall. It's Corey Seager, rookie. And Brian Ellington for the Marlins for 10 cents. For Cindy. An orange Mookie Betts. 10 cent. 23 of 25. No. Oh, that's right, you did. Yeah, that was me saying, no, you can't grade anything. I'm sending it to you. I rejected your grade request. Just send it to you. Ever since then, he said, fine. I'm not going to grade anything then. All right, this has got to be an aha box. It's been a while since we had one, hasn't it? Give us a what box? Not a parallel hot box. Yeah, you can send your own cards from your collection to grade. A lot of people do. Schwarber the rookies. Miguel Sano. Oops. Miguel Sano. Studio autograph for the Twins. Hitless champ. Hitless, you're getting everything. Arenado Hollow. There's a Buster Posey red for the Giants. Jobu, he'll love that. 98 of 99. Orlando Arcia for Milwaukee. Christian. Maybe this is an auto hot box. There's two already. Greg Bird. Addison Russell. Good thing Addison Russell started the All-Star game ahead of Corey Seager. He's definitely a better player. No doubt about it. Freaking fans. Yep, it is an auto hot box. Colin Ray for San Diego. Tiny Iota. 140 or 43 of 125. Sorry, I was testing this out. Huh? Jorge Lopez for Milwaukee again. And Tom Murphy to 99. 10 cents Rockies. Brendan Rodgers. Trey Turner. Sonny Gray. A-Rod Diamond Kings. Number to 299. Pujols Power Alley Blue. The Angels to 149. And Syndergaard. All right. Well, we got a hot box. Luke Jackson, blue refractor autograph for Texas. Tiny Iota. 76 of 150. Jules, didn't you have a spot in this? Why is there no Jules hits? Ichiro. Robinson Cano purple for Seattle, 250. Dylan Betances. Three. Well, there's your problem. You have to get at least 4, I think. Nomar Mazar, refractor rookie. What is up with everyone's video dying tonight? Kershaw. PayPal's dying. Website's dying. Video's dying. Is there anything working? God. Unreal. Kelby Tomlinson. Jobu's Mojo. Base auto. There's a Future Stars Chris Bryant Blue Wave. Hitless. Our pets' heads are falling off. We'll go somewhere warm, where the beer flows like wine. Where women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. I don't answer questions with more than one question mark. It's just a personal rule. I can't. Multiple question marks, I just can't even deal with it. One question mark, I might answer it. Nah, there's no Blue Wave autos. Last packet I'll break. Break Kimbrel. All right. Well, nice Schwarber and a nice Correa. Not too bad for a little 6-boxer.